Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. My name is Manuella Rachuelle, but people mostly just call me Ella. Today we're doing something pretty simple, like really simple. I actually didn't know what look I was going for when I started this look, but I kind of just went with it and I knew I wanted to use the green. So yes, I'm starting off with the orange in my crease, and I'm first placing that on and then blending out the edges. I'm going in with burnt orange, and I'm using that to blend out the edges of the orange that we placed in our crease. I'm going in with that green shimmer, and I'm using my finger to place that on my lid, and then I'm going back in with my blending brush and blending out the edges. And then I'm going to go off camera to do my eyeliner and put on my lashes, and then I'll be back to finish the rest of my face. Moving on to the face, I'm first priming my face as usual, and then I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm using my Morphe Y6 foundation brush to buff that in. I'm still looking for a foundation that I am in love with. Yeah, I'm still looking for something. So if you have dry skin and you really like your foundation, please let me know what you use and I'll try to see if I can get my hands on it. I'm placing my concealer on my T-zone except for my forehead, and then I'm going to spray my face before blending it out, which just gives me a better finish. I saw one of the YouTubers that I followed doing this and I tried it out, and I've been doing it ever since. I don't know how it gives you a better finish, but it just does. Well, especially if you have dry skin. Please don't mind my niece in the background. She is doing her thing, which is making noise. So yeah, she's just doing her. I'm just doing a little cream contour and then blending that out with my foundation brush. I always miss myself when I'm setting my face, which is pretty sad. So I can't like wear the clothes that I plan on leaving the house with. But yes, I'm just setting everywhere that I place concealer, and then I'm going in with my contour palette from Jackie Guido and just contouring my cheekbones. And just to be extra, I'm going in with some shimmer before I go in with my highlights. And I'm highlighting my cheekbones. Wow. Yeah, I'm just highlighting my cheekbones, chin, nose, and then I'm going in with the orange that I placed in my crease under my eye. And then I'm placing some highlight in my inner corner and under my brow bone. And that's the end of the video, guys. I'm just gonna go in with some lip gloss because I wasn't really feeling anything else, but you could always use whatever you want to use. But yes, please do let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.